Hello! In this video, I will teach you step by step how you can completely eliminate the annoying errors you encounter in payment-related tabs on Google products. If you are currently getting one of the errors you see on the screen, by watching this video carefully and applying what I show, you can definitely solve your problem. First of all, I need to point this out. You may encounter these errors in Google AdSense, Google Play, Google Ads, or other different Google platforms. However, there is a very important detail you need to know. The main source of this error is the Google payment system. Therefore, to solve the problem at its root, we definitely need to contact the Google payment team directly. To do this, first open the Google search engine. Type Google Pay Help into the search box and search for it. Then click on the first site from the results. Scroll down to the very bottom of the opened page. Here we have a very critical attention point. The Google Pay system only provides service in English. Therefore, if the open page is not in English, I recommend that you definitely change the language option to English from the bottom section of the page. After changing the page language to English, scroll down to the bottom of the page again and click once on the Contact Us text located here. A new page will open in front of you. In the first tab, you need to select the platform where you are experiencing the problem. If the platform where you received the error is among the options, select it. If not, select the Other Google Product option. In the box right below, write detailed information about the error you received. In the next step, some tips related to your error will be listed. From among these, select the Other option and click the Next button. On the newly opened page, without touching anything, press the Next button again. Now the most important page has appeared in front of us. At this stage, you should choose how you want to contact the Google Pay team. The system offers you options to communicate via phone call, chat, or email. To get the fastest response and solve your problem instantly, you can use the phone call or chat option. If your English level is not very good, choosing the chat option will be the best choice for you, so that you can comfortably use instant translation tools. On the opened page, be sure to add your name, the details of your problem, and screenshots of the error you received, if any. After entering all this information completely, you can start the conversation with the Google Payment representative by clicking the Submit button. After this step, a live support window will open on the right side of the screen, and you will be able to chat with the representative in this section. Depending on the workload, you may need to wait for your turn. Do not close this page under any circumstances until your turn comes and you receive a message from the representative. That's it! The representative replied to us. Remember, you must conduct all conversations in this window in English because, as I mentioned, Google Pay only provides service in English. If you do not know English, you can use Google Translate to translate your message into English and communicate with the Google Payment representative. If this video helped you solve your problem, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video!